This one is a 1950 Royal Quiet De Luxe. It's got a little bit of chip paint here too on the side, but it still looks pretty good. Other than that, show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin, and you hit the line space here. It'll skip 1 or 2 spaces to switch it from single to double. This lever here will switch it. Right now we have it on single. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them stick or skip. Very nice typing machine. I'll type a sentence real quick. Very nice typer. I like it. Show you the print. The print looks good too. I missed the space in between the lazy. That was an error on my part. Show you how to use the rest of the functions. To set the margin, you push these in with your finger like that. That's your right margin, your left margin, the same thing. This one has a magic margin up here on the top. So you flip that back, it'll send the margin wherever you are on the platen. And if you want to move it back manually, you just hit the magic margin and the left carriage release at the same time, and it'll, let me get this paper out of the way. This lever will allow you to pull the paper out easily. So this left side, let's say it's here and you want the margin to be there, you hit the magic margin like that, and it'll send it to wherever you are. And you can do this to move it. So that's how that works. It's got a tab function. The tabs are right here. You just move those with your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And the tab button is right here. It'll stop at each one of those tabs. Show it to you in the back. See how it stops at each one. It's your tab function. It's got a backspace up here in the top left. Works great. Shift lock. Open the hood. You got touch control. The higher the touch control, the harder you have to hit the keys. It's got a ribbon direction control here. Right now all the ribbon is on this side. So we're pulling it to this side, which is why it's on that. You can see it pull that side. Now if you go to the left, it starts to pull to that side. We're going to keep it on the right. This is your color selector switch. Right now it's on black, solid black ribbon. But if you wanted to put a red and black ribbon on it, you switch that to red. And your vibrator will jump higher so it hits the bottom of the ribbon. That works great. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.